tastes very good and smells good. Hello everyone, it's Mommy Chu over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make organic juice from avocado, ripe bananas, plus our milk. So enjoy. Now, as you know that sanitation is paramount, we have to clean our avocado. Then after, we're gonna divide it in two pieces and we remove the inner part. Next, we're gonna put there our ripe banana. We are going to blend them together at once. You can use any banana, any type of banana can do it better, as long as it is a ripe banana. So you can add in some sugar depending on the amount of juice you want to make. For me here, I'm gonna add there 3 teaspoons of sugar. Add in some milk. We don't want our juice to be so stuffy. One cup of milk will be enough, depending on the amount of juice you're making. It's now time to blend our juice. You see, we are going to blend it to come out with a good juice. Our blending is done. It smells so good. But it is still very stuffy. Let me add in some water. Let me blend it one more time to mix it very well. Tastes very good and smells good. Thank you so much for watching.